Okay, very good morning, student. Good morning to all. Today we shall discuss the new concept of a triangle. New concept means the property of the triangle. Student, in our junior classes and in this class also, already we have taught many properties of a triangle. A triangle has many properties. Properties belongs to angle, properties belongs to sides, properties belongs to its other parts are also. Other parts means exterior angle, interior angle, and everything also. So the first property of a triangle is it belongs to it related to angles of a triangle. What are the property belongs to angles of a triangle? That property is called as angle sum property of a triangle. It means sum of angles. Yani sum of three angles of a triangle is 180 degree. How many angles a triangle has? First is how many angles a triangle has. What do you mean by a triangle? Student, let us look to the cutting piece of this paper cutting piece. What type of figure it looks like? It is a plane figure enclosed by three line segment. It is a plane figure. It is a figure made by paper cut. So it is a plane figure. A, B and C. There are three vertices. So three vertices. So three angles. Angle A, angle B and angle C. A triangle has three angles. A triangle has how many angles? Three angles. Angle B, angle C and angle A. We will show that angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. To prove. What we will prove? We will show that angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. Student, we can prove this statement by different methods. Out of them, I have shown it by paper cutting pasting method. Paper cutting pasting method. What paper cutting pasting method? I have taken two pieces of triangle. One is in green paper sheet, another one is that is red paper sheet, and I have cut the three angles like this, three angles of the triangle like this, and I have arranged them within. Yes, a line, a straight line like this. You watch. Now I am watching them. Now I am arranging them. You watch these paper cuts. Dear student, you watch these paper cuts. The first one is angle A, the middle one is angle B, and the third one is angle C. So as I have arranged these angles, or you can say another in this way, I have pasted them. Angle A, middle one is angle B, and the lower one is angle C, and below a straight line is drawn. As we know that the straight line belongs to straight angle 180 degree, so angle A, angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. This is the proper verification of angle sum property by paper cutting and pasting method. There are another method is there which is called as logical method. I will also establish this truth by logical method. For this, a construction is needed. What is the construction? Construction is through point A, draw a line. Through point A, draw a line XY which is parallel to side BC. Construction is, what is construction? Construction is draw XY, XAY, it means XY through point A parallel to BC. XAY through point A parallel to BC. Now you can say by using parallel line condition, how many angles are there? There are 1, 3, 5. Three angles. One angle is equal to, what is one angle? Angle 1 is equal to angle 1 is equal to angle 2. Angle 3 is equal to angle 4. Why? XY parallel to BC and AB are two transversals and 1 is equal to 2, 3 is equal to 4. Obviously, you can say these two are alternate interior angles. These two are parallel and they are in alternate sides, so alternate interior angles are equal. Correct. And adding them, if we will adding them, we will get angle 1 plus angle 3 is equal to angle 2 plus angle 4. 1 plus 2 is equal to 3 plus 4. And adding number 5 to both sides, if I will add angle 1, angle 3 plus angle 5 is equal to angle 2 plus angle 4 plus angle 5. My dear children, 1, 3, 5 forms a straight line XY. So, straight angle is equal to 180 degree, and here angle 2 named as angle B, angle 4 named as angle C, and angle 5 named as angle A. So angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. If I will write in the left side, so thus we conclude that angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. This is the way of proving by logical method, geometrical construction method, and that was your paper coating and folding method. In this way, we can establish the truth of angle sum property of a triangle. Thank you.